In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat error code C02A on your iPhone. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. C02A is an unknown login error, so there isn't one specific cause, but Snapchat recommends checking the app and your connection first. Start by updating Snapchat. From your iPhone home screen, open the App Store, tap on your profile picture on the top right, then tap App Updates. Go ahead and find Snapchat and tap Update if there's an update available. Next, you can go ahead and open the Settings app, go ahead and tap Wi-Fi, and turn Wi-Fi off. Then go back to the main settings page and tap on cellular and make sure cellular data is turned on. Then go ahead and go back to Snapchat and try logging in again. If you are already using cellular data, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network instead. Next, you can try completely closing Snapchat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher, and then swipe up on Snapchat. Once you do that, go ahead and reopen Snapchat and try again. You can also restart your iPhone and retry to log in that way. But if C02A is still appearing, you might have to just reinstall Snapchat. To do this, go to the main screen on your phone and hold a finger over Snapchat, select Remove App, and then tap Delete App. Confirm, then open the App Store, search for Snapchat again, and reinstall the official app, and then try signing in again. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.